Okay, so let's start first with the Vimeo thing. So right now, this video that she used is, I believe it is YouTube, and we don't like it because it has this related thing popping out. So we decided to use a Vimeo. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this one, right click and then cut, and then we will jump in creating or importing another video, which is Vimeo. So click the insert and go into the video and click the online video. Okay, and let me jump in here and get that video because I just uploaded it in Vimeo, and then insert there, click insert. And then if you want to add some styling into your streaming videos, you can just right click and click this style over here, and you can literally choose a lot of styling here. I think she normally used this type of style, so we can keep that as is for now. And then there's also some styling styles or designs that um, you can use if you are running out of ideas. So that's basically what you can do for a video. You can also add something like if you want it to be automatically played, then simply choose this part here. Okay, and there is also a comment section. Comment section normally used for editing purposes, but if you're doing a presentation itself, I don't think that is useful. So we'll delete that part. Now we'll jump into MP4 format. Okay, I'm gonna open the other thing here. Let me delete that one, and let's insert a video, an MP4 file. Now the MP4 file, they both do the same thing. However, what I really like about MP4, it doesn't have any branding itself. Like it doesn't have any like it is hosted in YouTube or in Vimeo, and at the same time as well you have full control. If you right click this, you can also just stream some sections of your video that you wanted to play. So that's the difference in that. Yeah, I think that's the difference, a cool difference that you can kind of take advantage of. So yeah, so that's basically how that works. There's also a stock videos. I think stock videos can be searched online. So PowerPoint has some free stock photos that you can use, but they kind of limited.